In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple items from Excel to Trello, 5 minutes. We're going to take a spreadsheet and turn its rows into Trello cards in just a few minutes using a trusted power-up. To start, make sure your spreadsheet is saved in a compatible format. The easiest options are .xlsx or .csv. If you're in Excel, use Save As and pick one of those formats. It helps to have a clean first row with clear column headers like card name, description, list, labels, members, and due date, since those will make mapping super straightforward later. Next, sign into Trello and open the board where you want the cards to appear. You'll add a power-up to this board to handle the import. On the board, look for power-ups, then choose Add Power-ups. In the search bar, type Import or Trello Imports. From the results, select Import to Trello by BlueCat, which supports CSV and Excel files, and click Add. If you're on a plan that limits power-ups per board, you may need to disable another one before adding this. When prompted, authorize the power-up to connect to your Trello account so it can create cards on your behalf. With the power-up enabled, choose your file from your computer. The tool will read your headers and ask you to map each column to a Trello field. This is the most important step for a clean import. Map your spreadsheet's card name column to card name and description to card description. If you included a list column, map that so each card goes to the right list automatically. Otherwise, they'll typically go to a default list you can reorganize later. You can also map members, labels, and due date. For members, make sure the people you reference are already on the board so they can be assigned correctly. For labels, use the exact names you use in Trello to avoid confusion. For due date, keep dates in a consistent format like YYYYMMDD to reduce errors. When everything looks good, click the Check and Import button. The power-up will validate your setup and begin creating cards. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation of how many cards were successfully created. Head back to the board to spot check a few cards. Confirm names, descriptions, lists, members, labels, and due dates landed where you expect. If something's off, you can adjust your mapping and run the import again. That's it. You've quickly converted your spreadsheet into organized Trello cards ready for your team to use.